Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise number 1, question number 2. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. So we have to draw the graph for this question. Graph is a very important concept for 4 marks. So now we will solve this question. Here is a question, 3x plus 2y that is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y that is equal to 7. Now you take the first line, 3x plus 2y that is equal to 5 he given. So 3x plus 2y minus 5, you bring that 5 to left side, you will get minus 5. So it is in standard form, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Now you take the second line, 2x minus 3y, bring that 7 to left side, minus 7 equal to 0. It is also in standard form, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So if it is in standard form, find out the ratios, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. So here a1 is nothing but the coefficient of x, that is 3. Here also coefficient of x is nothing but 2, 3 by 2. Next is nothing but 2 by minus 3. Next is nothing but minus 5 by minus 7. If you observe these ratios, three ratios are different. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So the two lines are intersecting lines. The two lines are consistent. Consistent means it has a solution. Okay. First he was asking that check whether the following lines are consistent or inconsistent. Intersecting lines means the two lines will intersect at one point, so it has a solution. That's why the two lines are consistent. For example, if we are getting parallel lines, the two lines never intersect at any point, so the two lines are inconsistent, we should write. If it has a solution, write consistent. If it is not having a solution, write inconsistent. Simple. So now we will solve this question by using graph. To draw the graph, we need points to represent. So for that, you take that first line, 3x plus 2y that is equal to 5. Step 1, substitute x is equal to 0. So I am substituting x is equal to 0 one time. So I will get the value of y. 3 into 0 plus 2y that is equal to 5. 3 into 0 is nothing but 0 plus 2y that is equal to 5. So 0 plus 2y is nothing but 2y itself, that is equal to 5. Y is nothing but 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2.5. So if x is 0, I am getting y value as 2.5. Now substitute y is equal to 0. So 3x 2 times 0, that is equal to 5. So now you see here 3x 2 into 0 is nothing but 0, that is equal to 5. 3x plus 0 is nothing but 3x itself, that is equal to 5. X is nothing but 5 by 3. So just you see here, do the division. 3 ones are 3, 2 you will get, put a dot, it becomes 20, 3 6 are 18. So approximately it is equal to 1.6. Approximately it is equal to 1.6. Okay, if we substitute y is equal to 0, I am getting x value is nothing but 1.6. Okay, we got 2 points. One time we substituted x is equal to 0, we got y value as 2.5. Another time we substituted y is equal to 0, I got x value as 1.6. Just simple. Now you take the second line, that is 2x minus 3y, that is equal to 7. Similarly, to the same process, substitute x is equal to 0, 2 into 0 minus 3y, that is equal to 7. So 2 into 0 is nothing but 0 minus 3y, that is equal to 7. 0 minus 3y is nothing but minus 3y, that is equal to 7. So y is nothing but 7 by minus 3. Here it is in multiplication, it goes to division. So then 7 by minus 3. So divide that 7 with the 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 2 times it will go. 1 is the remainder. Put a dot here, keep 1 0. 3 3s are 9. 2.3. So minus is there, that's why minus 2.3. Okay, if I substituted x is equal to 0, I am getting y value as minus 2.3. Okay, similarly you substitute y is equal to 0. Okay, 2x minus 3 into 0, that is equal to 7. 2x 3 into 0 will be 0, that is equal to 7. So 2x minus 0 is nothing but 2x, that is equal to 7. So 2x is equal to 7 is there, x is nothing but 7 by 2, that is nothing but 3.5. So if you substitute y is equal to 0, I am getting x value as 3.5. So to draw a line, minimum 2 points are required. So we got the 2 points. With the help of these 2 points, we are going to draw 2 lines. So first line we have 2 points. For the second line also we have 2 points. Now with the help of these 2 points, we will draw the graph. Okay, think it is a graph sheet. Now I am going to mark points on this graph sheet. I will draw the graph now. Okay, for that first you take one line as y-axis, one line as x-axis. So I am taking this line as y-axis, vertical line. So I am taking this line as a x-axis. So mark the scale. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the first point? X is 0, y is 2.5. So here is 0, x is 0, y value is 2.5. Here 2 and 3. In between 2 and 3 there are 10 lines. 2 here, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, 3 again. So in between 2 and 3 there are 10 lines. So this is 2.5 line. So mark that 2.5 line here. Now y is 0. Okay, 0 means here. X is 1.6. So where is x? X means horizontal line. So just you see 1 and 2. In between 1 and 2 there are 10 lines. So this is 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9 and 2. Okay. So now we take that 6th line. So I am roughly drawing this sketch. You can draw correctly with the help of your graph sheet. So connect these 2 points now. Okay, so I got first line. See the points for second line. When x is 0, y is minus 2.3. X 0 means here, y means vertical line, minus 2.3. 2 after third line. Okay, next, when y is 0, x is 3.5. X value should be on horizontal line. Y is 0, x is 3.5. 3 after fifth line. So connect these two. Okay, the two lines are intersecting here. The two lines are intersecting here. So this is the graph for the given question. So here the two lines are intersecting it. The points are, see here, this is if you draw a line like this from x-axis, from y-axis. So they are intersecting it, some 2.2, and from y-axis it is some 0.8. So therefore the required solution is 2.2, 0.8. So just you see here, the two lines are intersecting here. From x-axis if you draw one line, from y-axis if you draw one line, you can observe clearly here 2 after second line, 2.2. So it is less than -1. So it is -0.8. So 2.2, -0.8 is the solution for the given question. So it is a rough diagram. So I am saying roughly. So if you draw in the graph sheet, you can clearly observe the values. So therefore x value is 2.2, y value is -0.8. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends. Tomorrow we will see another graph question.